Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay guys, so today I'll be unboxing my new device, which is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. So this device was announced earlier this month and I pre-ordered it and it was delivered moments ago. So yeah, I'm going to unbox it and show you all what comes in the box. So this is the box that it comes in. So as you can see here, S21 here on the side, Galaxy. Here on the back, we have a sticker. Guys, when you order your phone, if it comes and the seal is broken, do not accept it. That means somebody's already tampered with it and they've had their dirty paws on it. So make sure that this seal is sealed, just like that. Okay, so yeah, we're just going to take a look and see what comes in the box. So I've got my knife here. So I'm just going to cut the seal. Whoa. Wait a minute. Okay, so I've just managed to cut the seal. Okay, so this is the device. And here we have a little box, which I'm guessing will contain the USB cable and also the quick start guide and the SIM ejector tool. So we've got the quick start guide there, warranty card, the USB Type-C cable, and the SIM ejector tool should be, oh, there it is. Come on. Okay, so this is what you're going to use to take out the SIM tray to insert your SIM card. So yeah, this is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra in Phantom Silver. That's the colour I decided to choose. To me, it just looks a lot better than the all black colour. And I must say the device looks very nice, guys. So this device has a big display. It's 6.8 inches large. It has the X2 dynamic display, which is Quad HD 1440p. So I'm going to take off the plastic cover there on the back and the little screen protector here on the front. Also, there's a protective film here on the camera lenses there on the back. Okay, so it has a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera here, and it also has a 108 megapixel camera there. This is the main shooter that can record videos up to 8K in resolution. And here it has a 10 megapixel depth. No, what is it? 10 megapixel camera, sorry. And there's another 10 megapixel camera here as well. Also the flash, and it also has the laser sensor there. Got the Samsung branding there. And this is in Phantom Silver, guys. The device itself, it does feel pretty heavy, but it's a very nice looking device, I must say. Okay, so let's just see if it's got any juice and boot it up. So Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox, powered by Android. Okay, so the volume up and down rocker is here on the right hand side, the power button. Underneath the speaker grill, the SIM tray, also the USB charging port. Above here we have a earpiece and microphone. Okay, so right now the language is in some type of foreign language, so we're gonna have to choose English, change it up. Okay, so I'm just gonna enter my Wi-Fi password. Hold on a second, guys. So yeah, guys, this has a beautiful display. And the front facing camera is a 40 megapixel camera. And guys, the main shooter here on the back, it can zoom in at 100 times. Yo, this phone is sick. Trust me. This phone is sick. All right, restart. Okay, so what I've noticed about the display here on the front, guys, it's flattish, but it also does have some slight edges as well. But you can definitely feel that it's a premium device, guys. It does have that premium feel to it. Okay, so fresh out of the box, the battery is more than 50%. So that's pretty much enough to get the device set up fresh out of the box. Okay. Okay, so let's just see what it's running fresh out of the box. So let's go running One UI version 3.1, Android 11. Okay guys, so yeah, this is my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I will be banging out some videos on this device. If there's any videos you want to see, just leave your recommendations in the comment section down below. and I'll be sure to upload some videos on your requests. It's your boy Android.time out. Doses.